Hi, I'm John Pellick. I'm here with John Pavain, President and Founder of MaxQ Technologies. John, you're a longtime Microsoft partner and you're highly prominent in our partnered program. Can you tell us a bit more about MaxQ Technologies and yourself?
Yes, thanks, John. MaxQ Technologies has been in business for going on 25 years, and over the last, for the life of the company, we've been involved in developing software for supply chain solutions and business intelligence solutions based on Microsoft technologies.
Yes, so yes, indeed, you're well known as a Dynamics partner, working and building off our ERP product offerings. But you also have a product offering in the business intelligence and analytics space called eProphet. Can you tell us a bit more about eProphet?
Yeah, eProphet is an enterprise reporting and analytics solution based on Microsoft BI stack, specifically SQL Server and its components. It's been designed to work with any data source. We have built extractions from the Dynamics products and have done other ERP systems and other data sources through the product, and is designed to work across any BI and reporting needs.
So what were some of the major challenges that you tried to meet for your customers with the offering of eProphet?
Well, first, we think the Microsoft tools are very, very strong and very good tools to build business intelligence solutions, but they are just that, tools. So with the product, we try to provide a complete solution that allows them to run the reporting analytics out of the box, which includes both the UI, a metadata level that lets them define both the calculations and the terminology they want to use within their reports or cubes, and the entire extraction, security model, menuing, administration of those particular functions.
Yep, so that's exactly the kind of relationship that Microsoft seeks with ISV partners, right? Is to have partners who complete that experience and make it work well for end user customers. So if I understand eProphet properly, then it works both with your Dynamics products, complementing those to provide advanced, rich analytics, but also independent of that. Is that right?
That's correct. What we've done is we've isolated from the staging load area of our data warehouse through the data warehouse and cubes to be identical regardless of the data source. So then we use SSIS package to do the extractions, both from a pre-canned, here's an API that we provide, or again, pre-built extractions from things like Dynamics SL and Dynamics GP, and then we can map any other data source, whether it be a legacy system, Oracle-based systems, other SQL Server, or even flat file and Excel spreadsheets for source loads.
So that's great. Your specialty focuses around helping people manage their supply chain. So can you tell me some specific requirements in supply chain management that you grapple with and that your products help provide value on?
A lot of supply chain revolves around the correct inventory and the correct sales. So we do a lot of inventory analysis. We do a lot of profitability by product line, by territory, by region, upsell opportunities. We provide a number of ways to monitor and manage your inventory evaluations, what's in your pipeline, how long things are taking to sell through, both in your warehouse as well as point of sale data coming from other reporting mechanisms at your customer sites in the case of retail stores or distributors, so that you're not, you have a good visibility of the entire supply chain.
That's great. So why don't we get a look at the product then?
There are many users who need access to better reporting and analytics to improve organizational operational performance, and eProphet is designed to provide value for virtually everyone in the organization. The eProphet Info Portal provides access to reports and analytics for all users, while the eProphet Manager is a web-based application that allows for simple administration, customization, and development. It provides an easy-to-use application that leverages knowledge that already exists in most organizations to allow for self-service BI. Okay, let's take a look at eProphet. We are in the eProphet Info Portal, which is a SharePoint site that consists of a collection of eProphet custom and standard web parts. On the left, we have a custom eProphet web part that contains the eProphet menu system. This is driven by the eProphet metadata. eProphet uses a role-based security model. Users can belong to any number of roles as needed. The security can be enforced down to the data level. For example, it's very easy to set up a sales type of hierarchy that allows a sales rep to only see his customers, a territory manager that can see any of the sales reps and their customers who work for him, while the VP of sales can see sales of the whole organization. The eProphet metadata and architecture make this and almost any custom data security settings very easy to set up in eProphet. Each role has a KPI homepage, as you can see in the My Roles section over here. In the center, we have example of a couple of eProphet KPIs. The top one is displaying revenue by week broken down by employee class, and the bottom KPI is showing billable versus unbillable hours by quarter over the last 4 quarters. These are examples of some of the standard eProphet web part KPIs that come with the eProphet system. On the right, we can see we have a couple of standard SharePoint web parts. The top one displaying local weather, and we put this in here just to give you an example of how any standard SharePoint web part will work in the eProphet info portal, or eProphet web parts themselves can be mixed into your current portal. The eProphet system itself works with both Windows SharePoint services as well as Microsoft Office SharePoint Server. Give you a little idea on these are document libraries that are just again standard SharePoint document libraries that contain a number of standard Office templates that are provided by eProphet. So I'm going to just give you an example. These are we're going to open the sales rolling 12-month period spreadsheet. Okay, here we can see Excel opening into a pivot table view, and this is just again an example of some of the Office templates that are provided for with eProphet. In this case, we have a pivot table that is filtering the data on product classes, and I could select a couple of those, redisplay the data. Here we can see we have trend arrows, which is one of the new nice BI features built into Excel 2007, and we have a graph mixing with the data chart. Again, this is just a sample to give you an idea of what comes shipping with the standard eProphet system.
So it's great, John. We'd really like to congratulate you on the release of eProphet 2009, and I look forward to our partnership continuing in the future.
Thank you very much, John.
Thanks.